What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Um, Today, short video, not not something big, but as you see in the thumbnail, I finally got my fuel regulator. But the only issue is, see at the end, I need a orb AN line, AN fitting. Sorry about that. For dash six, so I need to order that. But we're gonna install that one for now, so at least I can have some content for you guys. So basically, right now I got as you see the last video, I showed you what I had on the engine bay and everything. Since I got the AEM fuel rail with the little Blackwood Racing, whatever it is, fuel regulator, but nothing works since I'm going with AN lines and stuff. Um, so today we're just gonna remove it, and we'll be installing the AEM, put it on there. And one thing too, want to say, Mr. the owner of AEM passed away not too long ago. It's been in the industry since I think it was if I don't remember if exactly, I think it's in the 70s in the 80s. He started the company. He was working for Weber back in the day. Weber, their carburetor setup and all that stuff. So he went with his own stuff. So rest in peace to Mr. GC. That's what his name. The guy who invented the EM product. So yeah. So let's get started. Go get some things and I'll put you guys down. So let me put you guys there. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, there you go. So we got it right there. So we only got 210s there to remove. I don't have any return lines since I'm going with all the lines, so I have nothing to disconnect there. I disconnect the vacuum right here for the intake, so there you go, that's done. So I'm gonna go with that at 10, and we'll remove that. Where's that 10 again? It's always gone. The one you need the most, but it's gone all the time. And garage a bit of mess. 3/8. Got it. So we got that little piece right there. Woo! Thinking that you go. So. Oh, I need to get it. We got one bolt. Ratchet doesn't fit because I got my gauge over there, so we need to get a wrench. Sorry about that. Come on. We'll get it. We'll get it. We'll get it. There you go. Here's the bolt. Fucking bolt. Alright. So here's the thing in the jigger. Fucking Blackwood Racing. I think it's only like something that goes on the stock fuel regulator, because it's very similar to the stock one. I think you just added that piece to the top of it, because it only looks like this. See, 4 bolts with the thing in the end. So it is what it is. I won't take that for sure. Alright. So now let's put that beauty on. That shuttle. No! Almost dropped the bolt. Shuttle cable was in the way. So snug him out. Not even. Sorry with the gauge in the way. Doesn't line up like he wants to be. It's alright, we'll get it. Ah, fucking mosquito. That's why it wasn't going. I think we'll be able to just stick the ratchet. It's itchy. Live in Canada, there are a lot of fucking mosquitoes in here. That won't work. I've got a bolt. We got one bolt. Alright. It's a start. It's a start. Put the other one in. Sorry, guys. Put the bolt in first. Should I just go a little bit better? There we go. Slight angle. Not too much. Break it. Yeah, I guess that. I think I will have to remove the thing. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So nothing super fancy. But let me show you right now. There you go. So now I'm only waiting for that little thing there. So at least we got this on. It's only a little thingy there. So I'll take my hose there. Oh. Put the hose there. Hey, there we go. Hey, does I want to go in? Force that, you bitch. And you put that on the vacuum. You don't really need it, but right there. Sorry about that. Right there. So, snug in it. Bing, bing. So, there you go. So finally, that's what it is. So we got this installed for now. So next video, we'll be able to do. Got all my line dash 6. So I got this, and we'll try to install the filter and the pump at the same time. That's what it is. So hope you guys enjoy. Was really simple. Um, so when I'll receive the orb fitting for it, so at least you guys gonna be able to see it. I'll do the line at the same time, so we'll show you guys how to put the line in. Really easy. At first I was really confused when you look at it, but once you do it once or twice, it's really easy at the end of it. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Peace out. Bye.